Good morning children, Sairam. Welcome back in the math session. So children, I hope you all are very excited and you all are enjoying too. So let's start. Now children, look at the screen and tell me what you all can see. Yes, here on the screen we can see fingers. Okay, two hands we can see. So now children, count how many fingers each hand have. Yes, total 10 fingers. So here we can see 10. Now children, 10 objects all together make 110. We have already learnt in the previous class of maths about tens and units. So 10 objects makes 110. 110 means 10. 2 tens means 20. 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40. 5 tens means 50. 6 tens means 60. 7 tens means 70. 8 tens means 80. 9 tens means 90. And 10 tens means how much children? Yes, 10 tens means 100. Here is 100. 10 tens means 100. Here children, look at the screen. In each line, you all can see 10 blocks. So, 110 means 10, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40, 5 tens means 50, 6 tens means 60, 7 tens means 70, 8 tens means 80, 9 tens means 90 and 10 tens means, yes, 100. 100. So children, today we are going to learn more about introducing 100. Now here, all of you look at the screen. See the first one children. See the first picture. There we can see a bundle of sticks. And in one bundle there are 10 sticks. So 10 sticks will make 110. You all can see children. In very first picture we can see only one bundle and 10 sticks are tied together in a bundle. So that is 110. 110 means how many? Yes, 10. Now children, look below. There how many bundles we all can see? Yes, we can see 2 bundles of sticks. So in each bundle there are 10 sticks. So 2 tens means 20. Very good. Now look at the next picture. There, how many bundles of sticks we can see? Yes, there are 3 bundles of sticks, and 3 tens means 30. Now look at the next picture. How many bundles of sticks we can see here, children? Yes, 4. 4 tens means 40. Okay, children, I hope you all are understanding. Now see the next picture. There, how many bundles of sticks we can see? Yes, we can see 5 bundles of sticks. So 5 bundles of sticks makes 50, means 5 tens equal to 50. Okay, children. Now let's see the next picture. Here we can see 6 bundles of sticks, and in each bundle how many sticks are there? Yes, in every bundle there are only 10 sticks. It means one bundle of sticks is 110, and here we can see 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. And see the picture below. How many bundles of sticks we can see there, children? Yes, there are 7 bundles of sticks. Means there are 7 tens. 7 tens equal to 70. Now see the next picture, children. Here, how many bundles of sticks you all can see? Yes, I know you all are very clever and you all must have understood. Yes, there we can see 8 bundles of sticks, means 8 tens, and 8 tens equal to 80. Very good, well done, children. Now look at the next picture. Here we can see how many bundles of sticks? Yes, here we can see 9 bundles of sticks, and 9 bundles of sticks means 9 tens. 9 tens equal to 90. Very good. Now children, see the screen. We can see here how many bundles of sticks? Yes, if there are 10 objects, 10 sticks in each bundle, and on the screen we can see 10 bundles of sticks. 10 bundles of sticks means 10 tens. 10 tens equal to, yes, 100. You can see down. Yes, this is the way we have to write 100. So 10 tens equal to 100. Now children, look at the next picture. Here we can see bits in a string. Okay, if you see the first number string, blue color one, there are total 10 bits. So here again 10 bits make 110. Below you can see number 2, there are also 10 bits. So 1 and 2, 2 tens make 20. 3 tens makes 30. 4 tens means 40. 5 tens means 50. 6 tens means 60. 7 tens means 70. 8 tens means 80. 9 tens means 90. 10 tens means 100. So children, in this picture you can see 10 tens and there are 0 units. So when you are writing in figure, you have to write 100 like this, and in words, number name of 100 is ONEHUNDRED, 100. Now children, do you go to the shop to buy something? I know you all must be going with your parents to the shop to buy something for you. So when you buy something from the market, from the shop, the shopkeeper gives you anything like that only, or you have to, when you are purchasing something, what do you give to the shopkeeper? Yes, we give them rupees, notes or coins. Am I correct children? So here we can see few notes. So can you all tell me how much rupees note we can see here to your left hand side? Yes, 10 rupee note we can see here. And can we see only one note? No, there are 10 notes of 10 rupees. And if you see to your right hand side, there is only one note. So, but can you all tell me, is it 10 rupee note or 50 rupees note or 100 rupees note? Yes, to your right hand side we can see 100 rupees note. So children, 10 notes of 10 rupees makes 100 rupees. 100 rupees. Is it clear children? I hope you all are understanding. Now here we can see, yes, coins. Coins of 10 rupees. And if I ask you to give me 100 rupees, so how many coins will you give me children? How many coins will you give me of 10 rupees? Yes, 10 coins. Because 10 coins of 10 rupees makes 100 rupees. Now here look at the screen children. Children, here we can see strings of beads. In every string there are 10 beads. You all can count in your mind. So how many strings of beads we can see here on the screen? Yes, there are total 10 strings we can see on the screen. Okay children, observe this picture very carefully because I am going to ask you some questions now. Now, one string has how many 10 beads and equal how many beads? Can you all tell me? Yes, in one string there are, yes dear children, tell me how many 10 are there? Yes, in one string has 110 bits. And how many bits 110 means? Yes, 110 means 10. Very good. I know you all have understood. Very good. So, one string has 110 bits equals 10 bits. So children, now look at the next picture. Second question. Two strings have dash tens bits equals dash bits. I know children, you all are very clever and all can answer correctly. So if in one string there are 10 bits, so two strings will have how many tens? Yes, two tens bits. So here will come, here we have to write 2 tens bits, and 2 tens bits equals how many children? Yes, 20. 2 tens means 20. So here we have to write 20. Correct children? Okay. I hope you all are understanding. Let's see the next. Now, 3 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. Who will answer now? 3 strings means how many tens? Yes, 3 tens. And 3 tens bits means how many bits? Yes, so here will come 30 bits. Am I correct children? Okay. Now see the next question. 4 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. So 4 strings have how many tens? Yes, 4 tens. So here will come 4. 4 tens bits means how many bits? 40 bits. Yes, so here will come 40. Okay children. Now see the next question. 5 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. So 5 strings will have 5 tens. Yes, very good. And 5 tens bits means how many bits? 5 tens means 50 bits. Very good. So here will come 50. Let's see the next. Number F. 6 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. So here will come, what will come here children? Yes, 6 strings have 6 tens. Very good. And 6 tens bits means how many bits altogether? Yes, 60. 6 tens means 60. Very good. So here will come 60 bits. Now see the next question. 7 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. So here will come 7 strings have how many tens? Yes, 7 tens. And 7 tens bits means how many bits? 70 bits. Very good. So here will come 70. Now see the next one. 8 strings have dash tens bits equal to dash bits. So 8 strings have how many tens? Yes, here will come children 8. 8 tens. And 8 tens bits equals to 80. Very good children. So here I wrote 80. 8 tens bits means 80 beats. Now 9 strings have how many tens? Yes, here will come 9 tens. 9 tens means how many beats? 9 tens bits means 90 beats. Very good children. 90 will come here. I hope children you all are understanding and enjoying too. Now let's see the next one. Now here is 10 strings have dash tens bits equals to dash bits. So here will come 10 strings means 10 tens. Very good. And 10 tens bits equals to 100. 100. So here I wrote 100. 10 strings have 10 tens bits equals to 100 beats. So children, 100 means how many tens then? 100 means 10 tens. Correct children? And how many units? Yes, 0 units. 100 means 10 tens and 0 units. So children, I know you all have understood how to write 100. So 100 is written as 100. So here we will write 100 100. So 100 is written as 100 100. I hope children you all must have understood the concept of 100 and you will keep practicing at home. So thank you so much children and see you soon in the next maths session.